doing my worst client ever while I tell you this sentence story. So I was a beginner nail tech and I had a friend who was also a nail tech. She asked me if I could come over and take a client to help her out, and of course I was down for it. So the moment the two clients come in, I was a little pissed because those girls were my old bullies who would body shame me and make fun of me. But I just wanted the money and did the nails anyways. I asked her multiple times if she liked the nail, if I should change anything or whatever, and she always said that they were fine and that they looked good. She wanted me to change the length of the nail 3 times and change the design over 4 to 5 times. I was so pissed, but still did it. At the end of the appointment, she was done and she waited for her friend to finish her nails. And all of a sudden, she told me she wanted to have holographic glitter on all the nails. And I did, and didn't even charge her more. For all of that, she paid me $20. Not even a day later, my friend texted me saying that the girl wanted a refund and that all her nails popped off. I knew damn well that that was a lie because my retention was good and lasted at least 2 to 3 weeks. I asked her to send me a picture of it and she said no and that she wanted her money. So I refunded her $10 and she was cool with it. But it really made me feel dumb and sad, causing me to almost stop doing nails because clients like that really upset. And the worst thing, she was my bully and really made my life miserable back in time. Girl, if I was you, I would have upcharged them like a mother. And then if they ask, oh, why so much? Oh, why? You can't afford it? What a shame.